tres. Oh yeah.
I'll tell you what I call him. Public enemy #1.
Good morning, Vietnam. I mean, Barranquilla. Alright, so the plan is we are going to go take some money out, go to the mall, and go see Spiderman. So I'll walk you guys through it and see where we end up. I guess I gotta wait for someone to open the door for me. Some shit. Alright, let's take a first look. So we've made it to the mall. I'm gonna show you guys everything it has to offer. Alright guys, my camera died, so I'm using my phone now, which is pretty shitty, but we're making our way into the theater. ¿Esa es? Tres. Okay, we got a 3D glasses. Let's do this.
¿Qué asiento tienes?
B7, B8. Alright, so these are the seats I've been talking about. Fucking, they got recliners on them. Oh yeah.
No, I didn't want anybody.
All this time, people looked up to this boy and called him a hero. Well, I'll tell you what I call him. Public enemy